YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and you already know what it is. I'm here with my man Cali. Talk to him.
Y-O-U-Tube. It's your boy Cali, and I'm back in the building with 360 Jeezy, and this is Barbers Gone Wild 27. And I know y'all been waiting on it. Y'all been getting inboxed. Hey man, when y'all gonna come out with a Barbers Gone Wild? Here, with Barbers Gone Wild, Barbers Gone Wild, Barbers Gone Wild. Well, we got another episode of Barbers Gone Wild. Tell them 360.
Listen, this episode right here is gonna be nice. So without further ado, let's just jump and dive right on in. Alright, you guys, we are back, alright, with another episode of Barbers Gone Wild 27, alright?
27.
Let's do Barbers Gone Wild 27. What?
Let's do it.
Barbers Gone Wild 27.
What? Let's do it. So,
let's do it.
let's do it. Let's
Barbers
do
Gone
it.
Wild 27.
We gonna keep procrastinating because we don't wanna go to Barbers Gone Wild 27, and that's the show.
Let's just
let's
just press play.
Let's just press play. Oh my Lord.
Lord have mercy.
That's got to stop.
She got the peacock going.
It's a lot of fabricating females out here. Cheating code. This cheat code. Cheat code.
Girl, I got her.
I got her. Whoa.
Oh my God.
He got the Umbrella Academy cut.
Nerve to have a lightning bolt as a part.
Nah. Get him out of here.
Trick daddy.
Okay. Shut up.
So I love money, and I was like, I'm gonna try to save it. And I spent a lot of money on getting haircuts, so I was like, I could be smart and just get some clippers.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, get some clippers, be independent, do it myself.
Do it yourself.
YouTube
Do
can
it
teach
yourself.
me. YouTube can teach me.
YouTube can teach you. Just
Listen,
go to
put the
360
card on
Jeezy.
it, turn it on.
And
You got
he'll coach
open and
you.
close, and then you gotta flick and flick.
YouTube.
My nigga, I've been flicking. I've been fucking flicking,
You gotta get
dog.
that edge right
What
there.
is
You-
this?
I mean,
You
it's
can't
fixable.
stop, bro.
Yeah.
You
What am I
can't
supposed
stop.
to do? I watched the
It's
same
fixable.
video. I even went to 360
Right.
Jeezy.
Yeah.
Look at the face.
Bruh.
It
No, it was a little
Bro,
bloody though.
I mean, it's
He
cool.
really cried.
It's cool. You
I
just,
fucking hate this shit.
He really cried.
come on, bro. You just gotta keep
I
going. You
can't
can't
do
stop.
Oh man, he got that
No.
macaroni and cheese.
Oh, goodness. Okay, at least.
That's a little too high
Somebody
though.
fix it up.
Nah, it's too high though. I don't like them high top fades.
Yeah, I don't either.
That's just too high for
What are
me.
you to do when you got bald spots and stuff?
Yeah,
Like that on?
that's clean though. I like
They
it.
did good. They
It's
did a
clean.
good job, bro. He cleaned it up.
Yeah, he was looking
What he was
whooped.
looking like before.
He was looking whooped.
Look, I'm gonna explain to you again. I'm gonna stick this to your head.
Okay.
I'll make sure it's there, right? And you
Yeah.
could pop, like, you hit the back of your head into your hand. So go into your hand. Yeah, hit it. No, it's not.
Did he glue it?
It is. You can do it. No, it's gonna work.
I
You
know.
got it out your hand. So then do it or use the ball.
No, and I can't even
Wow.
fucking
Can't catch it. All right, you did it though. All right. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna stick it harder to your
What
head.
y'all doing, man?
All right?
Did you stick it?
Yes. You can get it. I'll give you $20 if you can do it. It is. Oh.
Got her.
Got him! Got him!
She was really pounding her head though.
I know what the fuck is you.
Oh man.
Oh,
Dang.
come on, man.
The,
Y'all
the
doing
hypotenuse. The hypotenuse of that line.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
This is when people don't have nothing else better to do.
27, 20.
Just count.
You can't speak English.
Yeah, yeah.
Count and see.
Yeah, yeah,
Can't speak.
yeah. Yeah. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. 43, 44, 45.
My man made a whole music
46, 47,
But this is the type of stuff that go viral.
I just want to even all the way around, take on the sides and the back, and then
How?
Bro, you don't have no hair.
No hair.
cool.
This is dumb.
You don't think this hot? You don't think this hot?
That's funny. Oh man. Wow.
Let's get into it. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Pushback.
Hey, bro, you gotta get that bottom line out first.
Pushback.
Pushback?
Or if it's a bunch of enhancements in the front, but that ultimately looked like a pushback though.
Yeah, it do kinda. I will be disappointed. That's a lot of hair you taking out, man, for the lineup.
I'm gonna try to give them the benefit of a doubt of that being a bunch of enhancements in the front, but that just don't look it just don't look good. It's not a good look, but that's a blend.
It's a blend, but I don't like
That's a
that
blend.
line. I don't like the line. I don't like the
You
line.
don't like the line?
I don't like the line. Mm-mm. Y'all can hate me. I just don't like the line. It's my opinion. It's my opinion.
Hey, I wish he would
I
have
could
blow
brush
dry
it, brush it
top,
again. If I have
True,
waves and
true.
stuff.
You don't have waves.
Oh, this is why you scalp
You know I'm
360.
putting away.
No, it ain't.
This is why you scalp.
Not right away though. I want to see
Hey, that's
nappy
auntie, though.
and
That's our
all that
auntie.
stuff.
Yeah, true.
This is pretty. Oh, just
is
imagine how
dope.
much time I'm gonna save.
Wow, 360. I know.
Yes, if you need to glue it
You
down,
brought it back.
Girl,
it's
You
gonna be
brought it
alright. He's gotta glue
Right.
it.
Barber style, you know that's what they be doing. They be doing
Hey,
those
that-
quick
This is why you
Yeah,
scalp.
This
I'm just
is
saying.
why-
But if you gotta glue my wig down, it's gonna actually
Oh, yeah.
stick. Oh, my
She's
shit gonna
really-
be wavy.
Tiffany
I can
Haddish
feel it.
really cut it off though, like that.
Well, I'm
No,
gonna take
she
a bag
really
of
did.
vitamins so it could grow real healthy.
Man, I wish you would have gave her a cut though.
Man,
You
if
would
I
have made
gave
her
a
look saucy.
fire.
What? Oh, oh
Bro,
no! This
Why they
man.
do this to
oh.
me?
They should've
Why
put
was they
barbers
doing
back.
this to me though? Dang, I cut my hair off. They going in, bro.
Hey, chairs are for.
Bro, why they do this to
Oh,
me?
Professor
Hey,
X.
this one, this one dang near hurt my feelings though.
Oh, boy, got Neo.
Dang.
They went in on you, bruh. They went in on
going
you. Somebody put Charlie
Can't get
Murphy
right.
in there. Somebody put Charlie Murphy in there. Jeezy.
Who the real Jeezy though? Come on now. Who the real Jeezy?
Hey, they
That hair,
killing you,
though.
bro. They
was killing me when I
you.
cut my hair off. I got hair though. Oh, snap.
Blank man.
Blank man on me. And I had the cape though.
Oh snap! Somebody ain't finished Kanye cut. Somebody ain't finished Kanye cut.
Kanye.
That's why we need to stop buying his Yeezys, man.
I don't know,
'Cause
man.
of
I'm
that.
still rocking shoes though.
Nah, I'm done. I'm done.
Oh Lord. You gotta go back to the way it was. Yeah, you gotta go back, yeah.
It comes a point in time where this is just absolutely blasphemous.
Yeah, this is.
It's ridiculous.
Baby, he was receding in the begin with though. But
Nah, bro. He was, but
he's receding to begin with. But the barber just took it upon himself to go back. Yeah.
just cut it all off, man. Just cut it all off.
Just go bald. Yeah, that's
Just go
ridiculous.
bald.
Somebody got to be extra tall to see you line up. Come on, just
Look how he looking. He know he looking crazy.
finish cutting that poof off in the back though. Like you got that extra poodle in the back. Come on, cut that off, man.
You gotta stop all that moving, huh? I'm trying to get you. You gotta be still now.
The rough
Hey,
barber.
look, you gotta stop all that maneuvering. I'm trying to get you now. Got you good. How you feeling? I'm all about the blood. These brand new, they kind of sharp. You know Brian, I'm finna take it home, right? They finna get activated. You know he taking it home, right?
Are you a talking
Look at
barber?
me.
Heck no.
Brian,
I'm
I'm taking it
people
home.
assume that
Tell
I'll
him.
be talking
Got
about.
his head on you.
Yeah. I can see.
Let me get back to it.
I can see you doing
Hey, y'all been rushing the
that.
stuff? Grab the stuff, big dog.
But we
That's my hair, man. You say you're trying to get a line up? Like, give me 1300.
Hell no.
Yeah.
These clippers came straight from Jerusalem. And I'm booked through Christmas. Let me clean you up real quick, cuz. Get you together with that 70% act. Are you good? Hold on, sit down.
I'm out.
You shine your 40.
I'm out.
Are you good, big
That
dog?
is too much.
Hold on, hold
Like
on.
100.
Got a little more bump than
That's
usual.
just too much.
The neck brown this time around. All right.
Yo, next round is
How you feeling?
Smacked him, but still had a little patch in his head. That crazy. You suspect, big dog.
watching, especially watching
big
that
dog.
show, especially watching that one.
Yeah, that was suspect. Oh, okay. You got that dance going. That's that, yeah. That's that thing, yeah.
The dog's been watching too much TikTok.
Too much TikTok.
Oh snap!
Right. You're absolutely right. I'm not trying to catch that. Don't cough, don't
He got the
sneeze.
dang string though.
Somebody called about you drinking out here. Drinking beer?
I just got off work, so I'm just drinking a
I
little
know.
bit.
Leave us
You
alone.
can't drink on the
Leave me alone.
You can't drink in public, right?
I know, I've been drinking like this for like time.
Okay, you can't do that though.
Okay, I'm gonna just drink,
It's a
crush it,
misdemeanor.
and
Don't crush it.
I'm gonna just
Throw it
crush it.
away.
I'm gonna,
Come on, you egging them on though, bro.
Hey,
I just told you not
why
to.
you gotta do all
Now you just
of
crushed
that,
it in your own
man?
well, it's non-alcoholic though. It's non-alcoholic.
It's non-alcoholic.
Then why wouldn't you tell us?
Well, I
Why
didn't.
wouldn't you tell us you have
could've just
non-alcoholic
said
beer
that.
instead of playing games?
I mean, I wouldn't.
You're playing
Why would I
games.
drink on the beer?
You playing
You're
games.
playing
No, I'm
games. Here you
not.
go. Here's your
Why
non-alcoholic
you
beer.
bothered? I know.
Take the 7th exit. At the roundabout, canceling the route
I
goodbye.
hate when the GPS mess up my song.
Yeah, true.
Good morning, class.
True. Okay, we got Soldier Boy.
Bible teaching is definitely about to be different. It is about to be different.
Big Red, Big Bang. Stop. Y'all stop. Y'all can go to the tent right now. Put your cameras on me. Y'all doing today, dog. You so mama money up, man. You know what? Everybody, put your cameras on me. I'm gonna call all y'all. Put your cameras on me.
No. Oh, what? Fake campaign.
What are you doing,
What's
Dada?
going
What are you doing, Dada?
on? What's that?
Hey, if I was to see that,
Now to pull it. Now to pull it.
you hear her?
Yeah, go.
Now?
Yeah. Now,
So I'm sorry.
where'd you find this? That's actually pretty funny.
I know you.
My brother was getting yelled at by my mom, so
I
I
found
played
it in
by
your
the music.
area. I found it in your box. Your box
The
of
bro,
stuff.
oh, not the bro in the back.
Elizabeth, get off the damn roof.
That's funny.
I was playing for 30 minutes. Shut. Oh my gosh, Jason, can you get her? Stop.
Bro,
Don't
Oh,
drop it.
that's-
Chill out. Get off the roof.
That is so You're
She ain't
crazy.
gonna
Like,
do
you're
it.
acting like I sleep with my PlayStation. Don't drop it. I love her more than I do you.
Oh, that's the call to drop. That's call to
No,
drop.
that's fine.
Stop.
That's call
I'll
to
drop the
drop.
cheesecake.
For real.
Females sure know how to F up the vibe.
Tell them how you asked for the passcode of my phone, and I tell you it's the day we first met, and you don't even know it.
I do know it. But I'm saying though, why you can't just give me the password?
I did. It's the day we first met. What's so funny? You don't know it?
Of course I know it.
All right, so what is it?
What is it? What is it? You know what? You're something else. You
I'm
know?
something else.
You're
Bro,
something else.
something else.
when you
That's
get
one
caught
thing I
up,
really like about
when you get caught
You
up,
be asking the most randomest shit at the most randomest time.
You asked for the passcode of my phone.
No, not only this situation, we could be upstairs watching Netflix and you'll ask some stupid ass shit like, what made you fall in love with me? Now I have to think about some
bro,
romantic
I
shit.
can't rock
now
with
I have
you
to
on that
brainstorm.
one, man.
I'm not a fucking
I
magician.
can't
I'm not
rock
a math
with you
class.
on that
Why
one.
do
I'm
I have
not
to
a
brainstorm
magician.
right now? Just stop
Bro,
asking
you don't
stupid
know.
questions. There's a time and place for everything.
That's what I'm saying. If you don't know the answer
Yeah,
to
you
it,
don't know, bro. Stop.
you
stop
don't
with
know,
the extra. You
bro.
ain't being so extra.
Yeah, you trying
making
to
us all look
change the
bad right
subject. You make it, yeah. I don't know, man, but are you guys happy now?
Hey,
you finally got Barbers Gone Wild?
y'all
Are
been
you
hitting
happy
me in the
now?
DMs, y'all been hitting my bro in the DMs, and all I'm saying is, tag us. Tag
Find
me.
some material.
Y'all want to see Barbers Gone
Find
Wild?
some material.
Tag me. Come on,
Find
man.
some material.
Material.
Find some material.
All right,
And
you
we
guys,
will
that
bring.
has been.
Wait a minute, I'm not done. Find some material and tag us, and we will bring you Barbers Gone Wild. But bye. Have a good one.
That's how you
See
go
you
on.
guys later.
how you
We got to do the traditional way. Okay, go ahead, take it away. I'm sorry.
All right, you guys, this has been Barbers Gone Wild 27. I'm 360 Jeezy.
It's your boy Cali, and I'm gonna holler at you guys on the next one. Peace out.